In today's world, securing your weapons while keeping them discreetly hidden has become more than just a practical necessity. It's an art form. Whether you're a gun enthusiast, a collector, or simply someone who values safety and privacy, finding innovative ways to store your firearms can be a game changer. Forget the traditional gun safes and cabinets. The latest hidden weapon storage solutions are designed to blend seamlessly into your home decor, vehicles, and everyday furniture, offering both security and style. From tactical wall panels to secret compartments in common household items, these ingenious storage hacks will not only keep your weapons safe, but also leave you in awe of their cleverness. Hornady Rapid Safe Night Guard. The Hornady Rapid Safe Night Guard is an innovative nightstand gun safe that combines security with discreet design. With its sleek appearance, this safe looks like a regular bedside clock but offers hidden, quick access to your handgun through RFID technology. The safe includes 4 programmable RFID tags, allowing touch-free entry that's faster than traditional keypads or biometrics. Constructed from heavy-duty 14-gauge steel with 2 internal locking lugs, it provides robust tamper resistance, and the included 1,500 pounds steel security cable ensures it stays anchored to a stationary object. The tempered glass front panel displays a clock, USB charging ports, and a concealed keypad, while the spring-assisted drawer opens quietly, keeping your firearm or valuables readily accessible. A perfect blend of functionality and security. Locking Trunk Rifle Cabinet. The Locking Trunk Rifle Cabinet is a high-security storage solution designed for sedan owners who need secure and discreet weapon storage. Measuring approximately 38 inches in width and 18 inches in length, this heavy-duty trunk cabinet mounts directly to the vehicle floor using factory points, ensuring a stable and secure fit. Weighing between 100 to 150 pounds, the cabinet features a single deep drawer, maximizing storage space without compromising on security. Equipped with a strike guard system and a high-security Caba Simplex combination lock with a key override, it offers robust protection against unauthorized access. The weatherproof compression, lock, and folding T-handle ensure ease of use and durability. This cabinet is perfect for anyone needing quick, secure access to rifles while on the go. Timber Vaults, Hidden Gun Shelves. Timber Vaults. Hidden gun shelves offer a sophisticated blend of style and security, seamlessly integrating hidden gun storage into elegant furniture. These high-quality shelves are crafted from exceptional hardwood and are designed to blend perfectly with any home decor, keeping your firearms and valuables discreetly concealed. Unlike traditional magnet-based systems, Timber Vaults use advanced RFID technology, ensuring that only your specific access card, key fob, or RFID tag can unlock the compartment. Ideal for home invasion preparation or simply safeguarding valuables, these shelves provide quick, private access to your handgun, cash, passports, or keys. Timber Vault's tactical shelves add a layer of security to your home while elevating the aesthetic, making them an excellent choice for discreet, stylish concealment furniture. Hornady Rapid Vehicle Safe. The Hornady Rapid Vehicle Safe is a top-tier solution for securing your duty size or smaller handgun while on the move. Designed for a quick, touch-free access, this safe utilizes patented RFID technology, allowing you to unlock it instantly using the included wristband, key fob, or decals. Easy to install, it mounts conveniently between the console and seat without modifications, and its neoprene cover protects your vehicle's finishes. The safe includes a heavy-duty 1,500 pounds steel security cable for additional anchoring, ensuring your firearm remains secure. With a backup digital keypad and mechanical key entry, this safe provides multiple access methods. Compact yet sturdy, it meets ASTM safety standards and is California DOJ approved, making it a reliable and convenient choice for in-vehicle gun storage. Guitar Rifle Case. The Guitar Rifle Case is an innovative and discreet firearm storage solution designed to protect your guns while looking like a regular guitar case. Constructed with a high-impact polymer shell, this case offers excellent durability and impact resistance, safeguarding your firearms and gear in style. It features a lockable design, enhancing security during transport and storage. Inside, 3 customizable foam inserts allow you to fit various shooting and hunting accessories, making it versatile for different setups. The case is equipped with a drag handle and wheels, providing effortless transportation to and from the range. Backed by an unquestioned lifetime warranty, the Guitar Rifle Case combines style, functionality, and peace of mind, making it an excellent choice for gun enthusiasts seeking discreet yet reliable firearm storage. QuickSafe's QuickVent. The QuickSafe's QuickVent is an ingenious solution for discreetly securing firearms, money, and jewelry. Designed to resemble a standard fresh air return vent, it seamlessly blends into any wall and fits perfectly between standard 2 by 16-inch center studs, making it an unobtrusive addition to your home or office. The RFID locking system allows for quick access. Simply touch the RFID key to the sensor for immediate entry, eliminating the need to memorize numbers or press buttons in a panic. This feature ensures that your valuables remain secure yet easily accessible during critical moments. The QuickVent is ideal for those prioritizing home security while keeping items hidden from view, combining functionality and stealth in one elegant package. Gun bed. The gun bed is an innovative home defense storage solution that cleverly integrates into your headboard. This unique design allows for quick access to your shotgun in the event of an intruder, providing peace of mind for those prioritizing safety. When startled awake, simply push into the headboard and a shotgun is instantly accessible, ready for action. This system is specifically designed for larger firearms, ensuring safety by preventing accidental sweeping of loved ones while retrieving your weapon. While it doesn't accommodate handguns, its discreet and efficient mechanism makes it an excellent choice for shotgun owners seeking a secure and rapid response solution. The gun bed combines functionality with clever design, enhancing your home security without compromising your living space aesthetics. Small hidden gun storage bookcase. The small hidden gun storage bookcase is a masterful blend of elegance and security, designed to discreetly house your firearms while enhancing your home decor. This unique piece features 3 adjustable shelves and a security lock, accommodating up to 5 guns with a pull-out mechanism at the back. Optional upgrades allow for additional storage of long guns, handguns, or valuables. With a maximum gun length of 46 inches, it provides ample space while maintaining a sleek appearance. The seamless design eliminates visible trim, ensuring that it looks like a standard bookshelf. With adjustable feet for stability on uneven surfaces, this customizable bookcase not only offers practicality, but also adds a touch of sophistication to any room, making it an excellent choice for discreet firearm storage. Under-seat pickup truck locking gun cabinet. The under-seat pickup truck locking gun cabinet is a robust solution for securely storing firearms in your Ford F-250 or F-350 crew cab. Made from durable 16-gauge steel, this high-security lockbox boasts over 21 to 70 cubic inches of lockable storage, designed to fit seamlessly under the rear seat. Access is simple. Just lift the seat and open the corresponding lid. The Tuffy Pry Guard locking system features a 10-tumbler double-bitted lock, providing peace of mind against theft. Its weather-sealed design ensures your firearms remain protected from the elements, while chamfered corners facilitate passenger access. Installation is straightforward and requires no drilling, using factory hardware instead. This discreet and stealthy cabinet combines functionality with high security, making it an excellent choice for truck owners. Tactical clock. The tactical clock offers a revolutionary approach to home defense by combining practicality and concealment. This innovative product features a hidden compartment that drops down instantly, providing quick access to your firearm when you need it most. With a high-density foam-lined cavity, it securely holds your handgun while remaining discreet in your living space. Friends will be impressed by its clever design, and it enhances your family's safety without sacrificing style. Utilizing a state-of-the-art RFID locking system, the tactical clock allows for rapid access. No keys or combinations to fumble with during an emergency. By strategically placing this tactical clock in your home, you ensure that you're always prepared to protect your loved ones in seconds, making it an essential addition for any responsible gun owner. Duha Lockable Under-Seat Storage. The Duha Lockable Under-Seat Storage is an exceptional solution for anyone looking to secure their valuables discreetly in their vehicle. This lockable container doubles as a toolbox and gun case, ensuring that your items are safely hidden while remaining easily accessible. With the capacity to hold up to 2 shotguns or rifles, or one with an optic scope, it complies with legal requirements in most states. Its thoughtful design fits perfectly under the back seat of Ram 1500 crew cab models 2019 to 2025, featuring organizers and dividers for optimal storage. Made from heavy-duty polyethylene, the Duha boasts impressive strength and stability. Overall, this storage solution enhances security without compromising on space, making it a must-have for responsible gun owners and outdoor enthusiasts alike. ARM A15 AR-15. The ARM A15 AR-15 is a groundbreaking locking device designed specifically for the secure storage and transport of AR-15 rifles. Its innovative dual spring-loaded automatic opening mechanism sets it apart from traditional locking boxes, providing quick access without compromising security. The device offers versatile mounting options, vertical or horizontal, accommodating various barrel orientations. Constructed with robust steel and a solid ABS polymer magazine block, it ensures no metal contacts your firearm, preserving its integrity. Compatible with a wide range of AR-15 styles and similar rifles, it's a thoughtful choice for gun owners looking to secure their investment. The ARM-A15 also includes custom security hardware for easy installation. Overall, it combines safety, accessibility, and innovative design, making it an essential accessory for any AR-15 owner. Hidden Gun Storage Bed. The Hidden Gun Storage Bed is a brilliantly crafted piece of furniture that seamlessly combines functionality with aesthetic appeal. Made from solid cedar, the queen-sized bed showcases a beautiful, knotty wood design that adds character to any bedroom. The finish is smooth, sanded to 220 grit, and stained with Minwax espresso, enhancing its rich appearance. Sturdily built and heavy, this bed promises durability and stability. The design allows for easy customization. You can easily add more hooks for hanging items on the headboard and footboard. Additionally, the option to incorporate drawers behind the doors on the sides enhances its storage capabilities. Overall, this bed is an impressive solution for discreetly storing firearms while maintaining a stylish and functional bedroom environment. Tactical Walls Concealment Mirror. The Tactical Walls Concealment Mirror is an innovative blend of functionality and modern design, making it a standout addition to any home. This frameless mirror not only serves as a stylish decor piece, but also features a hidden storage compartment behind it, perfect for securely storing firearms, emergency gear, or other essentials. The mirror is designed to fit seamlessly between standard 16-inch studs, protruding only 2 inches from the wall, ensuring it remains discreet. The 1440 insert offers ample storage space, accommodating multiple pistols and rifles. Its magnetic locking mechanism enhances security while remaining unobtrusive. Crafted from high-quality HDPE plastic with a soft-edged laminated MDF door, this mirror combines aesthetics with practicality, providing peace of mind without sacrificing style. OneTigris Hidden Gun Storage. The OneTigris Hidden Gun Storage offers a clever and stylish way to secure your valuables, including firearms, in plain sight. Designed to resemble a picture frame, this wooden concealment furniture provides an inconspicuous storage solution that blends seamlessly into your home decor. It features 3 spacious compartments, perfect for organizing cash, jewelry, and keys, while the durable construction ensures long-lasting reliability. Installation is straightforward with just 3 steps, and the smooth sliding mechanism allows for quick access to your items, eliminating the hassle of keys or combinations. Additionally, the customizable design includes a patch holder panel, adding a personal touch to your space. Overall, this hidden gun storage combines practicality with aesthetic appeal, making it an excellent choice for discreet home security.